Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Illustrator and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you your quick actions options within Adobe Illustrator, what they are, certain styles that you can use, and just simply apply them to typography within Adobe Illustrator. As you can see here, I have an example in front of us of what kind of style you can apply to your typography. Okay, so using my selection tool now, I'm just going to select everything and press backspace, and let's create some typography. So using my typography tool here, I'm just going to come and click on the artboard. Let's increase the size here a little bit like so. And we're going to type in quick actions. Okay, wonderful. Now using my shift tool here, just going to resize from the center point by pressing Option on the Mac or Alt on Windows, and shift it as well at the same time to keep it nice and proportionate. And let's get the alignment of that correct, like so. Okay, so now with this still selected, we have this little search engine up here. And what we can do is come through now and start to apply some effects. The one that I applied earlier was neon glow text. As you can see now, if I press apply, it takes a little bit of time to apply there. And what we can do, if we can click through our appearance window here, it's all manipulatable for you. You can change it, change the colors if you want to change the colors, dependent on what you want to do, dependent on what you want to achieve. Changing the color to blue there, as you can see. So all these quick actions are editable and changeable for you, depending on what you're trying to get. And there you have it, guys. That's your quick actions in Adobe Illustrator. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.